before we install the trim in the cartridge, we want to flush the hot and cold lines. So being we have a wall union, or we're going to have a wall union in here, I'll just remove the cap. And I'll go ahead and turn the waters on real quick, just the hot and cold, or anything that may be in the line. Now we're going to remove the flush plug. It's held in with these 4 screws, 4 Phillip head screws. And we are going to insert the little stop plugs on the hot and cold inlet of the flush plug. And that will allow us to turn the water on to the resident without running chance of water crossing over hot into cold or cold into hot until we can trim out the valve. Okay, and these are the 2 little flush plugs. They simply insert into the hot water inlet port and the cold water, and they just push in, and you can see there's a little tab there to grab with your needle nose and pull it out when the time comes. You just go ahead and reinsert the flush plug and reinstall your 4 screws. There we go. Once all 4 are in and tightened up, you can go ahead and turn the water onto the house again.